I'm kind of new to San Antonio. We moved here about 8 years ago from Austin and originally from the Midwest. But yeah, we started working out at Planet Fitness. It's close to our home. And I would get to the machine, the treadmill. I would stretch first. So, you know, right and left and push my knee back. And I did that one day and it was like, ouch, I can't move, I can't walk. How am I going to get out of here? You know, so then I made an appointment at the orthopedic surgeon, and he took an x-ray and told me he wanted to do artificial knee replacement surgery, I guess is what it is. Just like that. He didn't even close the door on me. He just came in and said, knee replacement surgery. And I don't really do real well under anesthetic, so I didn't want to do that. No, and yeah, that's painful recovery. So it takes a long recovery. It has to be done again, you know, I've heard 5 years. But I've been hearing commercials on TV for the Arthritis Relief Center, and that's what made me give them a call. So I got my appointment, I came in and did my shots, x-ray shots, and then for the past 2.5 years I've been going back to the gym and walking on the treadmill and doing just fine. Nope, no surgery. Oh, well, I just was limping along. I was using a walking stick at home to walk around from pain to no pain. I didn't know there was anything else. I didn't know anything about, you know, knee injuries.